Everyone likes free money, right? Well, consider making affiliate sales with this new trading card game called Steam Monsters. Yeah, that's right. You can now earn money by promoting Steam Monsters to your friends and family. It's a cool trading card game, and beta is now live. And it's been pretty successful so far because they've already sold out of 300,000 Alpha Edition booster packs. So there's definitely a market for it. And if you've got some affiliate marketing experience, you can start making money with Steam Monsters. So just a few days ago, the crew at Steam Monsters released their Steam Monsters affiliate program. And as a sales agent, when a player makes their first purchase, their account is tagged with your referral code. And from then on, all pack purchases made by this account will receive a 5% referral fee. Now, that's going to add up over time, for sure. So what does it cost for you to join the Steam Monsters affiliate program? Well, it's absolutely free, but you will need a Steemit account. And what does it pay? Well, as mentioned, you get 5% on any booster or starter pack purchases. And you'll get paid in Steam or Steam-backed dollars, which can then be transferred into Bitcoin and then get paid out in cash. So how do you start earning the affiliate rewards with Steam Monsters? First of all, you're going to need a Steemit account. Then you just replace my name with your name in this link. I'll put this link down below in case you want to join Steam Monsters yourself, and you get a free Steemit account when you actually join. This is probably the quickest way to get onto Steemit right now and get involved in the game. But there are some professional standards, so don't be aggressive and pushy with sales, and try to be a consultant and help people learn about the game. And certainly don't do any link dumping, because nobody likes that. And just to prove this is real, here's some of the most successful Steam Monster affiliates so far. Marcus Weil has actually earned 52 Steam already, which works out to be about $52 based on the referrals he's already had. So go ahead and get into Steam Monsters. I'll put my referral link down below. And the quickest way to get your own Steemit account and referral link is just to purchase the starter set. Now you can use credit card, PayPal or even crypto to make that purchase. And you get 15 digital cards that you can use to get started in the game. It certainly does help to have some knowledge of the game if you want to promote this new trading card game. And once you've actually purchased your starter account, you'll then be able to purchase booster packs. Now, you don't have to necessarily do this if you just want to earn referral income, but there is other ways to earn money on Steam Monsters, and they have tournaments coming up where you could win up to $1,000 per week just for competing in the tournaments. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? And because they take credit card and PayPal, it's certainly not limited to the crypto scene. So you can get out there in the real world and start promoting Steam Monsters and earning 5% on any earnings. Now it is quite addictive, so I'll be surprised if anyone just purchases a booster pack. So let's go ahead and open one of these booster packs. Okay, so we just click on the cards and we see what's inside our packs. This particular one's got a summoner, which is kind of nice, but we want something a little bit more special. And here's another rare too, which is pretty cool. So if we go over to the marketplace, we can see that these cards actually have value. Now, some of the basic commons are only about 7 cents, which isn't much. But if we have a look at the gold versions of these cards, well, these same common cards are now worth around $3 each. So there's definitely some value here. And as you get into the rarer cards, you can see that the price has gone up. And yes, people are actually buying these cards for this price because they are fairly rare. So as you see here, there's only 4 gold dragons on the marketplace. So they can pretty much determine what price they want to sell that card for. And once you get into Steam Monsters, occasionally you'll see raffles. And this particular raffle is actually raffling off a whole heap of gold cards. But this raffle has already ended. So look under the Steam Monsters account for more raffles. I'm also giving away free cards in my daily giveaways. So I'll also include that link down below. And don't forget about the Kickstarter. That's ending soon. If we just search Steam Monsters Kickstarter so I can earn a few more pre-search coins, we can see there's less than 27 hours to go. If you wanted to purchase a Kickstarter tier, well, the $25 one isn't bad value because you're getting 10 booster packs, you're getting that account creation, and a starter pack. So I think that's actually quite good value for money. But this Kickstarter only has less than 27 hours to go, so it might not be relevant anymore. So go ahead and join Steam Monsters, get your Steemit account, and then you can participate in the Steam Monsters affiliate program and start making 5% on earnings for anyone you refer. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe and don't forget to check out my Steam Monsters giveaways because you could win some cool alpha Steam Monster cards. So please subscribe and bye for now.